What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Amazon baby registry welcome box unboxing for you guys. So if you're not familiar, if you do set up a baby registry on Amazon, you get a welcome box, which is said to be a $35 value. I see some mixed reviews on it. Like, some people say they got some really good stuff, and then other reviews, people are like, all the items is pretty much trash. So I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm hoping that they put some really good items in this box, you know, some really good stuff that I could use for the baby. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. This is the box, and I'm going to see all the items that I got for the baby. I just want to say thank you all for everybody who's purchasing items from the baby registry. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. The last time I checked, I think it had about 7 items left. Yeah, I think it had 7 items left on the baby registry. So if you wanted to contribute to baby number 3, go ahead and do so. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so be sure to check that out. Listen, for some reason, now that I can't really bend, like, everything wants to fall. Everything wants to fall. I touch anything, it wants to fall because I can't bend. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna go through everything. So I just opened up the box, and this is what it's looking like. Got a cute little bag with all the goodies inside of it. So I'm just going to go through all the goodies. Okay, so I got a Carter's 3 to 6 month onesie bodysuit. Should I open it up? Well, it's an unboxing. Should. But I ain't trying to open everything up. Well, let me just open it up so y'all can see what the onesie look like. Aw, that's a nice little onesie. Aw, cute. Okay, that's cute. Okay, I got a Carter's 3 to 6 month onesie. That's lovely. Okay, one good item so far. I got a BPA free skin soft silicone baby bottle. This is a 4 ounce. Mom? Is that mom? Yeah, mom. It's a baby bottle. You could see. Cute little baby bottle. A little 4 ounce baby bottle. Okay. Another great item. Okay. I got an Aveeno baby daily moisture lotion. A little small sample size one. Aveeno is one of my favorites, so that's a nice little gift. I'll put it in the diaper bag. Okay, I got a stage 1 newborn Dreft one-use detergent sample. That's a necessity also. Not bad, not bad. So far, so good. I got a prenatal 5 soft gels, 1 a day. Okay, I think I've used these before. They say it's for while you're trying to conceive, during pregnancy, and while breastfeeding. So this is good. Necessary. Okay, So far, so good. So far, so good. We got some good items in there. Oh, snaps. Look. So I got a sample size. I had these on the baby registry. No one bought them yet, but I do have the water wipes on the baby registry. I felt it was kind of interesting. I'm paying for like water and wipes. But yeah, anyways. So I got a sample. Uh-oh. Why is it open? It's open in the back. Why is it open? That sucks. Okay, so I got a sample size water wipes. Good stuff. And then I got 2 diapers. Oh, okay. 8 to 14 pound size 1 diapers from 7th generation. So that's this. So in this little box is 2 of them to try out, I guess. See if they work. You know, with these diapers, some of them they leak, so you want to make sure that you using the right brand. I have tried Huggies and I have tried Pampers, but so far I've been like loving Pampers brand because that's what I use with my 2 sons. For some reason when I use Huggies, I don't know if it's the type of Huggies, but they tend to leak faster than Pampers. Pampers, I don't experience any leak with Pampers, so that's why I normally just go for the Pampers brand. So yeah, 7th generation. I'll definitely try it out and see, like, you know, if I have a good experience with it, since I have 2 samples here to try out. Okay, let's see what else we got. Baby diaper rash. Yeah, no, yes, no, yes. I think baby diaper rash sample was just a little bit, just a little sample size. And then last but not least, oh nice. Last but not least, we got a Dr. Brown's Natural Flow 5 ounce BPA free baby bottle. Oh wow, that's nice. Okay, anti-colic. Nice. Another nice bottle. So I got 2 bottles. This is a really nice bag. Really nice bag. Okay. And then, oh, I thought that was the last thing. I was wrong. Okay, this is the last thing. Okay, the last thing is Baby Dove Lotion, sensitive moisture, fragrance free sample. Another nice thing. Listen, who say you can't be using all these items in this box? Every item in this box was actually great items. Like, yeah, all the items were really good items. Thank you Amazon. I appreciate it. All the items were really good items. So I'm just gonna go through these, put them back in the box, in the bag real quick. So Baby Dove Lotion, Aveeno Daily Moisture Lotion. We got 2 diapers, you know, prenatal. We got some wipes, water wipes. We got some diaper rash cream. We got some Dreft sample to wash the clothes. We got another little baby bottle, 4 ounce, nice. And we got a cute little onesie from Carter's. Oh my gosh. I actually like everything in here. Everything in here is stuff that I'm going to use. So yeah, that's a good little welcome box. Thank you Amazon. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. What do you guys think? You guys think that I got some really good items? I think I did. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't checked out my previous 2 uploads, I uploaded my 30 weeks pregnancy update. I also uploaded my 30 weeks pregnancy ultrasound. So if you want to see what the baby looks like inside and how much he weighs, definitely go and check out those videos. He is so cute. Like, y'all have to go and look at the videos, okay? Have to go and look at the videos. I'll try to link it down below, or you know, I'll put like a card somewhere in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Bye.